Ew. Yeah, I got 2 different colors. One is cat's eye and one's from the moon. Which one should I try? Cat's eye or from the moon? Pinker? Oh, this one's from the moon. Okay. I know, that's why I just kind of like, I look in the camera a lot. Dude, I think I heard a coyote kill something the other night. I thought it was like a fair animal fight, which I try not to intervene on as like a human, as like a demon occupying a human body in a human space. I don't feel like it's my place to, you know, intervene on like non-human matters. So, I mean, I guess a coyote eating a domestic pet is not my business, but like, I would have tried harder. I wasn't sure if it was cats fucking, but it sounded really different, and then it went on for a long ass time. Like, I was having a hard time enjoying what we were watching. Like, I was like, oh my god, when will it shut up? And then in retrospect, I was like, oh my god, is something dying? Because we got a notice in the mail saying, watch out for the coyotes. What to do about those coyotes? So I'm pretty sure we heard a coyote kill something in our yard. I mean, it may have not even been our yard. It was just so loud. Because there's sometimes that people come to my neighbor's house, and I swear it sounds just like it's like right here in front of me. And I think that's just the way the sound carries around the house. So it could have been over there. But I never hear stuff from over there. The dog is stupid enough to attack. Remember we talked about this? Thank you for reminding me. Makeup box this way. I don't always remember stuff, so I am always happy to have the same conversation again. If you are, but thank you for reminding me. I don't know. Should I look up a picture? Should I just go for it? Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow. Like, I don't know what it was eating. Like, I wasn't sure if it was raccoons fighting. Like, we didn't know. But after seeing that notice, I'm like, dude, that was for sure a coyote killing, like, a more vulnerable animal. Okay, now what type of egirl liner should I do? You know who I think is really cute, even though she makes me cringe out of my skin? I like Linzor. It was cats having sex, and that was why I didn't bother it at first, you know? I was like, cats having sex is always worse than you remember. Oh my god, I don't even... As I was like perfecting the top, I didn't even realize that I was like fucking up the bottom. Alright. Alright, now I gotta go big. Are we just gonna chill and you're just gonna stare at me, huh? You guys don't have anything to say? Just like looking? Just browsing?